Hey, this is Shane Tracey, broker of Good to Go Realty. I'm out here today at Petranco Oaks. This is a beautiful, very quiet community on the far west side of San Antonio off of Petranco Road. And this home in particular is built by Chesmar Homes. This is the Olympia floor plan, 3,028 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and an oversized 2-car garage. And as you can see, this is a uh, spacious lots in between the homes. This home is available right now, and let's go and check out what the interior has in store for us. This home is in the Medina Valley Independent School District. See this beautiful oaks on the lot. This is the oversized 2-car garage. A very large entryway, area to relax. 8-foot door, entry door here. Some beautiful detail on the ceiling. This is a luxury vinyl type of flooring. This opens right up to the living area. To the left would be an office. To the right, you have some secondary bedrooms. One secondary bedroom with a walk-in closet. Full bath with nice vanity and counter space and tub shower, combination with tile surround. You have a linen closet right here and a coat closet right here. Another secondary bedroom here. Walk-in closet. And a half bath here. And have a fireplace in the living room. Very large island with seating. This is going to be your area for your refrigerator. Stainless steel 5-burner gas cooktop. Your stainless steel dishwasher, stainless steel farmhouse type sink, and your stainless steel microwave with your oven. You're going to find additional lighting above the cabinets, which really helps. Living, dining, kitchen, all in the same area here. And you can, this is another point of view of the island. So there's quite a bit of room for seating. And lots of space for china cabinet or buffet or whatever you would like to add. Tucked away in the corner is the primary suite. The higher ceilings. Doors going into the primary bathroom. Place for seating at this vanity. Soaking tub there. Second vanity here. It's your shower. You'll actually step down into the shower here. Closet right in between the vanities here. This would be the primary closet. Lots of shelving. And tucked in this other back corner will be your laundry room here. Not only do you have space for your washer and dryer, but additional space for another appliance right here. Plus, they've opened up this area under the stairs for storage. Here is going to be the fourth bedroom and another living area. Very spacious. Storage closet here. This is to the attic. This would be the fourth bedroom. Walk-in closet. Full bath. The tub shower combination. the windows continue. We've got a lot of natural light in this home. Outdoor living area. Very nice, very deep and wide for any kind of entertainment. Once again, this home is available in Petranco Oaks. And I'm Shane Tracey, broker of Good to Go Realty. If you have any questions, comments, have concerns, or anything else about the home buying process, or you want to start that process now or in the future, we are here to assist you. You can contact me at 210-627-7295. That phone number will also be in the description of this video. My pleasure to show you this home, and hope you have a wonderful day.